Are you ready to discover strategies for making your writing impactful and easy to understand? In this lesson, you'll learn essential skills for effective communication in any professional setting. Let's explore the art of writing clearly and concisely. Clear and concise writing is crucial because it reduces misunderstandings, it saves your readers time, it enhances your professionalism, and ensures your message has the desired impact. These elements are vital in professional communication. Misunderstandings can lead to errors, while saving time is appreciated by all. Professionalism is often judged by writing quality. A clear message is more likely to achieve its purpose. Clear writing means your message is easy to understand, uses simple language, and presents ideas in a logical order that guides the reader smoothly. Simple language avoids confusion. Logical flow helps in connecting ideas. Readers appreciate clarity. It makes the content engaging and accessible. Concise writing means using only the words you need. It gets straight to the point and avoids repeating the same ideas or phrases. This style respects the reader's time. Redundancy is minimized for efficiency. Directness enhances understanding. Barriers to clear writing include using too much jargon, writing long or complex sentences, and having an unorganized structure that confuses readers. Jargon can alienate readers unfamiliar with the terms. Long sentences can obscure the main point. A lack of organization leads to confusion. Addressing these barriers is crucial. Always consider your audience. Use words and examples they understand, and adjust your tone and level of detail to fit their needs. Knowing your audience shapes your writing style. It ensures relevance and engagement. Tailoring content is key to effective communication. Choose simple, everyday words over complex ones. Avoid jargon unless your audience expects it, and always aim for plain language. Simplicity enhances clarity. It removes barriers to understanding. Plain language is universally appreciated. Be direct by stating your main point early in your message. Avoid vague statements and use the active voice to make your writing stronger. Directness captures attention. Clarity is enhanced by active voice. Avoiding vagueness prevents misunderstandings. Keep your sentences short, ideally 15 to 20 words. Break up long sentences and use punctuation to make your writing easier to read. Short sentences are more digestible. Punctuation aids in clarity. Brevity is appreciated by readers. Organize your writing with headings and bullet points. Group related information together and present your ideas in a logical order. Organization aids understanding. It highlights key points. Logical flow enhances readability. Conciseness respects the reader's time. Eliminate unnecessary words and filler phrases. Focus only on the information your reader needs to know. Essential information is prioritized. Filler words dilute the message. Use examples and visuals to clarify complex ideas. Make your content more engaging and support your main points. Visuals enhance understanding. Examples provide context. Engagement is increased with these tools. Always revise and edit your writing. Review it for clarity, check for conciseness, and correct any grammar or spelling mistakes. Revision improves quality. Editing refines the message. Mistakes are minimized through this process. Here's an example. Instead of saying, "due to the fact that," simply write "because." Shorter phrases make your writing clearer and more concise. This demonstrates the power of brevity. Simplicity enhances clarity. Readers appreciate straightforward language. Let's practice. How can you simplify this sentence? At this point in time, we are in the process of reviewing your application. Think about how you can make it clearer and shorter. Practice enhances skills. Simplification is key. Clarity is the goal. A clearer, more concise version is, "We are reviewing your application." Notice how the message is direct and easy to understand. This example shows the value of simplicity. Directness is effective. Readers appreciate clarity. Use this checklist to review your writing. Is your main point clear? Are your sentences short and simple? Did you remove unnecessary words? Is your structure logical? Checklists enhance writing quality. They ensure all aspects are covered, clarity and conciseness are prioritized. Avoid common pitfalls like overloading your writing with information, using too much passive voice, or ignoring your audience's needs. These pitfalls hinder clarity. Awareness prevents errors. Audience needs must be considered. Clear and concise writing builds trust, improves efficiency in communication, and increases understanding among your readers. Trust is crucial in communication. Efficiency saves time. Understanding is the ultimate goal. To recap, use simple, direct language, organize your ideas logically, and always edit your writing for clarity and brevity. Recap reinforces learning. Simplicity and organization are key. Editing ensures quality. Apply these tips by practicing with real emails or reports. Ask for feedback from colleagues and keep improving your writing skills. Application solidifies learning. Feedback provides insight. Continuous improvement is essential. Now it's your turn. Find a long sentence from your recent work, rewrite it to be clear and concise, and share your version with a peer for feedback. Practice promotes growth. Peer feedback offers new perspectives. Clarity is the aim. Congratulations! You've learned essential techniques for writing clearly and concisely. You're now ready for the next step in effective written communication. Through clarity and conciseness, your writing will be impactful and understood.